Okay, now, in the absence of research, suppose you got to go to, you have in your contract that you can go to places for conferences?
Yes.
Okay, so you go to Hawaii for this reading conference, and somehow you manage to get to one of the sessions, and you learn about the hula method of reading fluency development. And you come back and you've got a youngster who's struggling, and you go to your team and you say, I was in Hawaii and I went to a session on the hula method of reading fluency, and I want to try it with Elwood. And the team says, whoa, where's the research on that? And you say, well, it's a new methodology, but I know a lot about reading, and intuitively it makes sense to me. I want to give it a shot. So the team says, well, since we're going to do progress monitoring, try it out for 3 weeks, come back with the data. You go, you do your hula method, you come back, and you got 3 weeks of data that's bingo, shooting right up. The team says, wow, this is making a difference. Come back in 3 more weeks. You come back in 3 weeks, it's still up there. You leave, the team says, here's our imaginary shelf, we're going to put the hula method up there, even though we only have one success. So one of your colleagues shows up and says, geez, I'm really scratching my head. I want to increase reading fluency with Billy, but I just know where to go. They turn around, hey, we got the hula method here. It's worked well with Elwood. Give it a shot. You go out, you try it. You're getting the same results. What's happening is here, you're building a local research space for something that works. And you can do that because you're doing progress monitoring. To do the hula method for 10 weeks or 20 weeks and then check, that's not okay. But to do it and check regularly and to see that progress and continue and stick with it, that's fine. The point being that if it works for that kid, it works. You're getting the desired results. Third person might show up. We got the hula method. You try that and you come back in 3 weeks, it's flatlining. And then we learn, well, the hula method is no different from every other method. It doesn't work for all kids. Back on the shelf, but we may still keep it to see if it works with another youngster. So that's called single subject design in the absence of broad-based research. And then over time, you accumulate a record of success. And this is another role of your team, your student services team. Did I say it right that time? Yeah. Perfect. It's an expanded role. Your student services team is going to be tracking the outcomes of various interventions. And you know something? I hope it's also going to be throwing some interventions in the circular file. Because we've tried the ABC program, and 4 times we've had kids come back, and we haven't gotten results. We've had to come up with another one, and this is a pattern we're seeing. We're not going to allow that program anymore. We're going to, out the door it goes. The opposite holds true. We can adopt things due to success. We also want to get rid of stuff because it doesn't work.